Ah. Uh-oh.
Don't you try. Don't roll over there, you know. Don't roll over
Oh.
there. He wouldn't roll over, would he? He wouldn't roll over there, would he?
He's losing his balance.
He's trying to.
Yes.
He's trying to.
Uh-oh. Look at this little boy. What are you doing?
He don't like that position, maybe. He doesn't like that position.
Losing his strength now.
No. He doesn't like that position. Look over here.
Oh. Get up. Get your head up. Oh. No more. Struggling.
He wants to turn over.